Very sad story of JURKUCH BOL, a promising young South Sudanese pilot. Feels good to be back. So sometime in March 2022, I had a short flight very early in the morning. I was having another flight like 2 hours after that flight. So I got out of the plane in a hurry and ran to the bank to get some paperwork signed before my second flight because I was gonna get back later. The bank would be closed. I left my flight bag on the plane. On return, I just did a quick pre-flight, fueled the plane, and departed. Getting back in the afternoon, I wanted to pack my books and headsets, and to my surprise, I spotted something that looked very strange to me. Photo attached. The same day my cousin called me and informed me that some priest had called him and told him he saw his relative in an accident. So he called to check on me. Surprisingly, I also had a story about what I found in my flight bag. On seeing that and me being a person full of shit, you can say I joke a lot. I called my wife and asked her if she has an idea what this could be. She got scared and told me that looked like some kind of juju because no one in our household would have something that looks like that. I called my mum and told her to ask my cousin to put it on her WhatsApp. I sent her something, and on seeing the thing, my mum called me back and started praying and all that. She's a church person. The last time I went to church was at my wedding. I'm an ex-seminarian with a Bible app on my phone. I always read and pray on my long flights. You have gone through the hardest things in life and you survived them, my son. No other woman's son or daughter can manage to do something bad to you and succeed. Abi Nyin Akuol. I don't know its English translation. Grin, my mum said. Fast forward a few weeks later, I kept pushing myself to fly. I wasn't feeling it that much, but I kept going on. One evening, I decided to go out of the house in slippers. I slid in the stairs of some hustle joint I'm putting up and hurt my big toe really badly, to the extent that I wasn't able to fly because I wouldn't be able to press the brakes or rudders. So I took time off since I'm my own boss, and asked our AOC, Air Operator Certificate, holder to get me someone to help me for a few days, as I clear my head and so my toe could heal. The second day into the flight of my colleagues that replaced me, my aircraft, a new C-208, Cessna Caravan, G1000, had an accident and was written off by the insurance. Thank God my friends got out without even a scratch. The same day, a friend of mine I left with my car in Juba got into an accident, though a light one. My other car coming from Nairobi had the engine quit on the way to Juba. I called my mum and told her it looks like someone's son or daughter seemed to be succeeding, and laughed about it. My mum called her pastor friends and held a prayer at home. I told her not to worry because I'm here to leave a mark on earth and I haven't started. So, friends, there are real haters out there. This person, whoever he is, was never gonna take my spot and get over 3,000 hours overnight and be me. But jealousy was just there working on them and forcing them into that. Whatever it was. Today I'm back in the air. Never wanted to tell this story, but just to get it off my mind I just had to. Have a great day and be productive and let the love lead. Via Juba TV.